Okay, the first tool I'm going to talk about is Google Docs, and this is a great way to collaborate with other people in your school. You can use it for Google Calendars for meetings. We use it at school to book the computer lab and all that good stuff. The advantages of it, of course, is the collaboration in it. The second would be that it saves automatically, so students don't have to worry about losing or anything, or adults for that matter don't have to worry about losing their stuff. It's saved in the cloud, so if something happens to your server or whatever, you have that, you won't lose it, and you can work on it for anywhere as long as you have internet. Some of the challenges would be that somebody else can go in and change. We did have a problem with a teacher signed up for an A+ student, and then another teacher signed that student over them, so that teacher lost their student. So you have to be careful that way. Also, it doesn't have every tool that Microsoft has. I haven't run onto anything yet that I'm missing out of it, so I think it's great, but some people might. You have to be connected to the internet, whereas with Microsoft, you can work on that anywhere. You don't have to have internet, but with Google Docs, you do. And there's no organizing it by folders. Some of the favorite things that I like about it is the research. You go to Tools, Research, and you can research anything. I picked horses, and it will automatically say for you an MLA, APA, or Chicago. Of course, I picked APA because that's what we use at William Woods, and so it has already saved it here for me. In order to name it, all you do is click up there, type in your name, and click OK, and it is there. So that is Google. Okay, the next Web 2.0 tool that I have found is SlideShare. And SlideShare is basically like a YouTube site for PowerPoints and presentation software. So what you can do is you can create this great PowerPoint, and then you can upload it onto SlideShare, and other people can use your PowerPoint, and vice versa. If you find a great PowerPoint, you can download it and you can use it at your meeting. That way you're not having to create something for your meeting, or you could have one administrator that's really good at presentations create one, upload it on to SlideShare, and then they can share it with the other staff members. So I thought that was a great tool for presentation software. Right, the app that I've chosen to display is Notability. It is a productivity app, and you can share your notes for staff and agendas and stuff like that. The advantages are you can easily archive any of your notes. You can share in different medias, email, Twitter, Dropbox, print, any of those. You have the ability to record for your notes or whatever. Some challenges is it can be difficult to type on the iPad. Internet, you have to have it in order to use Notability. It is a paid app. I believe it's like $4.99, something like that. And the voice recorder, you have to be close to the speaker. Some examples of uses would be to email agendas to staff, share notes with different media forms. You can organize notes for various committees that you need to be aware of, and it's all electronic, and it's able to save and all that stuff. In order to use it, you just type your notes. You can change fonts. You can change font sizes, bold, underline, italics. You can even bullet some of your stuff. So that is Notability.